All right, so what's up, YouTube? Might get a little noisy out here. There's someone cutting grass, but it's my 2014 ZL1 Camaro, and you can see if I want to be able to take my car to shows and such, there's a lot of cleanup needed underneath the hood here. This is my greatest pet peeve on earth, is bent up air filters. So I ordered another filter, so I'm not even gonna worry about cleaning this one. Just gonna take it off. My filter will be here in a couple of days, but you know, everything in here is dirty, man. I mean, the strut tower brace, or the strut tower, excuse me, just doesn't look like it's ever been wiped off. You know, just a engine, dirty engine bay. You know, the brick's dirty, like just everything in here is dirty. Other than the new compressor, there's a new compressor down there somewhere. There it is. Everything under here, you know, you can just see how dusty this is. There was even like an acorn and some animal droppings on my strut tower brace. So yeah, I'm probably gonna buy another one of those. I don't know. I'm gonna take this off here in a minute so that I can get more to you know, the actual engine compartment itself. That's in the way of some of the areas I want to be able to reach. But I'll show you. This is what I'm going to use to try to clean this up. I got the Jax Wax Super Citrus. I'm going to apply this first. Scrub with some brushes. You know, I got different brushes depending on, you know, where I'm going to be at, what I'm working on. All of this great stuff came from Jax Wax. And then to top it all off in the end, I'm gonna go over those same areas with some super shine on soft cloth and see, you know, just how much we can clean it up. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this strut tower brace off of here real quick, and I might just focus on, you know, the strut tower or something else first, just to see, kind of get an idea how this is gonna go. I doubt that I'll do this entire cleanup today, but I just wanted to come out here and mess around a little bit, you know, to try to kind of get started. Man, look how dirty this is. Now this stuff is everywhere. Now I started to clean the box here, the fuse box. I cleaned that off a little bit. I haven't made it to the back side of it yet. It looks a lot better just with the Super Citrus. Now I haven't came and, you know, shined. I'll do that all when I'm finished. But I got quite a project ahead of me, y'all. Just look at that. So far I've just been using this brush and it works wonders. So I guess I can give you a small demonstration of what I'm doing. So if you see all that dirt that's there, I'm spraying just a little bit, you know, not much, especially with the electrical components around. And then I'm taking this brush here and getting down in there. I mean, this thing does an excellent job. So if you can use this in the Super Citrus to break up all the dirt and then come back and shine it later, I mean, it should make for a great finish. But like I said, lots of work ahead. I just wanted to give you an idea of what it is that I'm actually doing here. All right, y'all. So I started using this larger brush when I was doing the strut tower. But you can see, you know, I've only worked on this side of the engine. Those areas there, I need to scrub these wires. I haven't messed with the wires, but the actual fuse box itself, you know, I still got to get down in there and wipe. So what I did was I used the Super Citrus, you know, put it on here. Then I scrubbed it down with the brush. But of course, you know, it leaves a residue. It's a, I won't say a residue, but you know, it's wet. It's got the dirt, you know, and grime mixed into it. So I came back and I wiped over it real quick with just a shop towel. You know, these shop towels here. You know, so that it was dry and to get as much of the dirt off as I can. Now, again, I haven't came through and did the super shine yet. But just compare this strut tower, because it looked just as bad as this one, to this one here. I mean, the difference is amazing. So this Super Citrus, again, It's a degreaser from Jax Wax, 32 ounce size is what I got here, which will be more than enough to clean this and then have some left over. I'm just on my lunch break doing this. I wanted to get started and see, you know, what all I was in for. So hopefully by this weekend I'll have this all cleaned up, but just wanted to show you real quick, you know, what I was working on, and I'll keep you updated on the progress of the ZL1. All right, so tomorrow this car is going in for clear bra repair. So, you know, there's no peeling paint, just a clear bra. There's a spot right there, spot here, peeling right there. You know, then we got small spots where it's peeling on these ends. Got a mark on this. The back of it is good. This quarter is completely good. Doors are good. But then this one here, you know, and the great thing that, you know, when I was discussing it with the place that's going to do this tomorrow, is this clear bra did its job. Something hit right there and it didn't make it through. You know, same thing with, you know, this one here, probably clearly a rock. So just pointing that out. We'll see how it turns out when I take it in tomorrow. So this is just to show y'all where I ended today compared to where I started. I mean, and I have not applied the shine oil. I think I said super shine earlier in the video. Jax Wax shine oil is what I'll end up applying on this to brighten it up. But I mean, you know, I still got a little bit more to do here. When I get my filter, my new filter, I'm gonna take this off, maybe, I don't know. Otherwise, I'll end up scrubbing down in there, but you can see it looks a whole lot better than where we started. So, and that's what, oh, I probably only put in like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours of work. I think I worked for an hour, about an hour earlier, and then about an hour the second time I came out here, but looking good so far. So I got the car dropped off here at Zbird, however you say it, for my clear bra work. You know, here in Reynoldsburg. They're gonna do stuff like fix the peeling. You know, whoever had the car before me, they're gonna fix that. You know, it's peeling at the bottom. Those are the type of things they're gonna take care of for me. But I got it out here and got it dropped off.